Good evening, students. Today we are going to discuss about the general essay of APPSC Group 1 Mains. So before going, first see some glance of the PPT. The agenda of this program is what is the pattern, exam pattern, and what is the objectives and what Service Commission is expecting from you. Then rankers marks, what are the previous rankers got the best marks, and then syllabus and references, PYQs, what are the programs, program details and other. And if any doubts in the last session. So the pattern of the exam is simple. There is 3 essays to be written. 3 essays to be written from 3 hours time, total 3 hours time. And 3 sections, choice is there. Out of 3, you have to choose one. And from each section, 1 essay is compulsory. This is basic. Maximum of each essay is 50 marks and maximum words are 800. Here comes time management. So 3 hours and 800 into 3, 2400 words, word limit with thoughtful, provoking ideas, and your ideology should be reflected on the essay. What is ideology? You are standing here. There is a topic. One topic or 3 topics. You have to reflect your ideologies from one topic is there. You are there. One topic is there. From you have to reflect your ideas through this topic. Your ideas should be reflect on the paper. So your ideas are most important. So you wanted to say something. 1, 2, 3. And your ideas should reflect through this topic only. So your character will be assessed finally. So each topic 800 words, time management. What is the time management? 50 marks, 1 hour, 50 marks, 1 hour. In which your planning should be there, your drafting should be there, and your assessment and assimilation of ideas also should be there. So total within 1 hour spanning, you have to complete 1 essay. So this is the basic pattern. Objective of the essay paper. What is the objective of an essay paper? Objective of essay paper, knowledge and awareness of variety of subjects, not single subject. Your polity, your economy, your social awareness, your historical background, your cultural knowledge, all this should be tested here. So knowledge and awareness of the subjects and ability to compare sustained piece of writing in the form of essay. So you wanted to write a paper on polity. Don't write an academic way. A general non-background student of the same arena also can understand easily. Like that, your answer should be there. So ability to compare and a sustained piece of writing in the form of essay. These 2 aspects they're asking, objectives of the essay. Knowledge and awareness of the each subject. You have some knowledge on one subject and you have to synchronize with the other subjects. You have very good knowledge in polity. The same political ideas, how it reflects in the society, where it will come. Directive principles of state policy. You have to implement each and every policy, not directly in the constitutional point of view, but in the social awareness point of view. Then compared and sustained writing in the form of essay, that it should not be, your writing should not be in a academic paper, in an academic answer, like your general studies answer. It should be understand to each and every normal reading people. That means a normal people.
That few toppers have talked with them. They have said that they have written in the normal answer format. So I have a confusion whether we have to follow this answer format or that UPSC, what the essay rules are there.
Yes.
But that format will have
Same format now. I don't understand why. What is the your answer should not be in a general studies answer manner.
More clearly, I will explain that they have written in the point format and advantages, disadvantages.
Yes, you can write advantages and disadvantages, but not in point format, but in paragraph format. Paragraphs, why paragraphs? Suppose one question is there, cryptocurrency, digital rupee, cryptocurrency, both comparison. Last year question. Yes.
Sachivalayam and all.
Sachivalayam also.
They have written that they have drawn some diagrams and all also.
You can write diagrams. You can make diagrams. Diagrams allowed.
They won't allow
In the essay, okay. But for giving better clarity, you're giving a diagram. Even essays also, some toppers write it now. In essays, no. For giving mind map, don't diagram. Make it a diagram, just like A, B, C, and explain what is A, what is B, what is C. Simple, not too big diagram. Just give ABC and explain what is A, B, and C. If you write on cultural point of view, cultural aspect, you can make a map also. You can compare Assam and Punjab cultures. How can they distinguish between Assam and Punjab? You can write. So this point is clear now. Awareness of variety of subject, not dumping yard. Your essay paper is not a dumping yard of your knowledge. Don't omit the knowledge. Just sink it and explain in simple terms. 800 words. There are a lot of space to explain your ideas, what you are thinking, your positivities. You can exhibit yourself. I am the most powerful and correct candidate to sit there. How can you explain? Only in general essay. You can make it out. Last year, how many marks, Last year, very few marks, 70. Toppers got 65 to 75 in between, 65 to 75 marks. That means two reasons. One thing is evaluation is very tough. Second thing is students comprehensive and composition skills are not up to the mark. Either the language, they are using formal language, normal language, not formal language. Normal language, they are speaking with friends and colleagues. The same colloquial language they are using in the essays. It is a drawback. And second thing is you need not write rhetorical language, but you should write just like you are talking with a teacher, you are talking with a elder one. So how you speak? You use some little bit respectable language. That type of awareness, the type of mind set you should have in preparing and presenting essay. Essay is presenting skills. Complete your presenting skills should be your marks. Okay? Ability to compare and sustained piece of writing. Then areas of testing. This is most important. Areas of testing. Ability to compose a well-argued piece of writing. Argued. Well-argued. Number one. Ability to express coherently and sequentially. Coherently means brief. Sequentially means chronological way. Then awareness of subject chosen. You don't know the subject, but you have language. You make some makeup and you wrote something. Whatever you know, you wrote. It is not the they definitely see this. Awareness of the complete awareness of the subject is required. Come to the point. Well argued. What is argued? If you wanted to say something positive, you wanted to say something negative. Don't say something positive. The same thing is supported by someone else. Don't say this is negative. The same thing supported by someone else. Your argument should be supported by a fact. Your argument should be supported by a fact. That is why first you write the fact. In the paper, you write the fact. Then from this fact, we can came into conclusion this opinion. Then the third one, the same opinion has delivered by some Amartya Sen, someone, some popular opinion. Then this argument is a standable argument. Well-argued piece of writing. What is meant by well-argued piece of writing? No, he is wrong. No, he is right. These two you should eliminate in your general studies paper or your essay paper. Both extremes. An officer should be here only. Avoid both extremes. Okay. So argument means your argument, yes, because I feel this is correct, because I feel this is wrong. Don't do that. Because of this fact, we can come into this conclusion. The same opinion delivered by someone else. This is one para. This is one argument. So your argument para number one, your argument point number one. In your general studies, you are writing point wise. This is para number one. Para number two, one more argument, one more fact. That is why your essay should be equipped with facts. Then followed by your opinions, followed by popular opinions, followed by what you think. In UPSC, they are 10 what they call way forward. Way forward. Way forward is nothing but your self opinion. Your self opinion and what are the challenges they are facing. How can we overcome them? So this is most important area. Your marks are here. Ability to express coherently. Why coherently? Many of the essays, while reading many of the essays, people used to tell in the above para, they're telling, they're supporting the idea. Next para, they're denying the idea. And the third para, one more opposite opinion to para number one. So that first you should have clarity whether I am supporting or denying. Don't support to support, don't support. Because of this, I am supporting this. Because of this opinion, I am supporting this. Because of this opinion, this fact, I am supporting this. Where can you get the facts? Where can you get the facts? Newspapers? Can you name some newspaper has given this data on so and so date?
So 2 days back, it talked about environmental protection, something index,
Okay.
and our state and our country status, and then it mentioned the it linked with the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, where we are celebrating the.
But in writing essay after 2 months, can you give the date? Can you give the newspaper name? You can't. That is why facts from India Yearbook. You have to write it down somewhere else on that particular area. Health, women, rural empowerment. Those facts, as per India Yearbook 2024, the fact is this. As per budget, one more fact, 2024. As per academic survey 23-24. As per, finally, even you wanted to mention, as per Manorama Yearbook, so and so year, the facts can be like this. But don't bluff here. Previously, bluffing is previously bluffing chalta hai. Abhi nahi chalta. Kyun? If examiner have some doubt, he has a mobile phone, he can check then and there itself whether the given fact by you is correct or not. If it is wrong, you will be severely punished. So don't give fake data. You know, you write it. You don't know, you leave it. Nearly this much, nearly this much. Like that, you can approximate the fact. If you know perfectly, you can write it. That is why your general studies, while preparing general studies mains also, you have to combine your preparation with essay. What are the common areas, current affairs and socio-political and economical events, all these developments you have to, with recent development programs of EAP state, you can combine all these things and you write a separate notes. Then those fact books should be on your table always. You have to refer continuously, regularly. Revision daily morning. You write some fact, you know some, you read some fact, you write it down on the notebook. Put on the table. Early morning, while start reading, you start again, you revise that fact. Regularly you can revise. You don't mug up. Like that, you have some figures. Then coherently and sequentially. 1, 2, 3. First you wanted to write an essay on terrorism, say terrorism. First, terrorism in AP, next international, next India. Is it sequential? Either come from international level or state level. Start from international level or state level. Then India level and international. This is one sequence. Second sequence, you can start abruptly from a major event. Suppose one issue is there. This is the issue traveling from this side to this. Suddenly, this issue goes to this peak. And say, you can start from here. You can discuss this before concluding any major events in this, before concluding one penultimate para, you can write these things, these two things. That means, suppose in terrorism, after 9/11, when we observe the consequences of terrorism is no way a regional problem, a state problem, or a nation's problem. It is an international problem. You can start that para. And after that, what are the efforts made to eradicate or control? You can write. Before this, any major events, you can write. Your essay should be like this. Here, you can sequential area, you can omit. Because the impact of the essay is like this. Then ability, coherently, and awareness of the subject chosen. Awareness. Political topic. You are a sociology student, you don't know about the political topic or articles or something else. Then you are writing all social issues related to this thing. Your political knowledge in this topic is zero. that is visibly known to the examiner. So out of three topics, you choose 1, 2, 3. There is just a choice. Before attempting the question, please question yourself. Have I stored the material of this much in my knowledge bank? Can I write this too? Can I write this one? Can I write this one? Which area? Don't go for your interest area. Don't go for examiners give this topic, marks will come this topic. I have this area is a lot of information. I like this topic. Don't go for that. Your knowledge bank is the base source. Your knowledge bank is the base source. If you have knowledge source on two topics, you go for two topics. That's all. Some of the previous marks, particularly essay, we already discussed. Which area is easy, in your opinion? Out of three, section 1, easy.
Last time it was
Section 2. What about section 3? In section 3, reflective topic. My vision 2020, my vision 2030, my vision 2050. Like reflective topics are coming here. Issues related to civic awareness, cultural and historical aspects. This is difficult. Why? You cannot satisfy the examiner. Cultural, historical means first you define them and you explain them with suitable examples. But you have to master over all these 7 topics. Each and every area, fact-based, opinion-based, and important thing for essay, craft-based. You cannot start straight away introduction, conclusion, and introduction and body of the essay and conclusion. This is a format, but same format not applicable to all these 7 areas. Some areas you can give a statement straight away, your stand. Straight away you can give a statement. Then you substantiate it, that fact, that stands with suitable facts. Then followed by popular opinions. Then conclusion. You need not write an introduction. Why, what? You need not write. Here, they are asking your vision in 2050. How? What is the better introduction? Whatever, you need not write introduction. You straight away start. My vision 2050 is like this. Particularly social evils. Not read. Poverty, unemployment, you should address them. 2050 means you should address them. Education, malnutrition, all these things you should address. Then issues related to civic awareness. Civic awareness. Can you give some example? Electoral participation. And just now you discussed about that. Any examples from civic awareness? So what might be the topics? First, you jot down the topics. E-governance, Swachh Bharat. E-governance, civic awareness. Electoral, very good topic.
Elective topics only should be partial sides.
90%, whatever the thing, 90% you have to give positive side. For every topic. You know something criticism about the topic. Then you have to address it. There is a criticism on this particular topic. Penultimate para. I know this. There is a criticism on this. But for this criticism, a popular opinion always will be there. For this criticism, some sociologist, M.N. Srinivas or someone has told like this. Ambedkar is a suitable example. For whatever subject you take, Ambedkar has already told on it. So collect Ambedkar examples, Gandhi examples, give the positive shade of it. Then, so craft we will discuss later. Okay, references. Particularly references means essay reference. Essay can be, and gender studies can be anything under the sky is essay. Basics of gender studies: history, economy, polity, geography, and science and technology. All these areas, basics. You should know something. An educated person should know something, because while e-governance, you are talking about polity. While e-governance, you should know some science and technological issues on e-governance also. Then newspaper, linking up the facts and examples from the newspapers, current affairs. Here we can write n number of resources. Don't be afraid. India Yearbook, it is a bulky, but you can get some summary on it, important facts. Anyhow, you are referring budget. Economic survey. Other popular magazines. But particularly for second topic in the syllabus, you should compulsorily read at least 10 topics from EPW, Economic and Political Weekly. 10 topics, because those areas, political issues and social issues and development issues, financial issues, all are amalgamated in a particular single piece of essay with 2 pages. You read at least 10, so that you know the areas, how to deal with all these areas, how to mingle all these areas. Anyhow, in class lecture, we will deal. But first hand reading always is the best way. EPW, Economic and Political Weekly. Website is available, magazine is available. Take hard copy. 140 rupees weekly, it is a weekly. Don't read up to exam, India Today, week, all those are waste of time. Frontline is just a replica to Hindu newspaper. If you have time, some column writings on Hindu, Indian Express. Indian Express column writings also very good, not editorial, for the sake of column writings are very good. And basics of general studies and others law. This is EPW is most important. I don't see other magazine, Kurukshetra, economic and social issues, and Yojana also, Yojana and Kurukshetra can be combined, but EPW is best. If you have time, Drishti magazine is there. Drishti magazine is there. In that Drishti, they will give summary of Yojana, summary of Kurukshetra, summary of Down Earth, summary of EPW. All this previous magazines, best article summary they will give. Please refer the Drishti magazine. Then comes art of essay. There are two popular best books on this, Anudeep Durshetty, Art of Essay Writing, and Srishti Deshmukh. These two are good. And recently, Manoj Kumar, I think, Macmillan, Tata McGraw-Hill publication, Manoj Kumar has also published one beautiful book, Art of Answer Writing. It is useful for your general studies papers and as well as essay paper. So, introduction, body, conclusion. So there is a logical sequence for introduction, body, and conclusion. You know very well from your childhood. You wrote so many essays, so many ideas, so that what we call, we can travel more. From there onwards, you can travel more. PYQs వచ్చాయి. These PYQs we will discuss in detail in the classroom. And by nearly 80 PYQs are there. Last PYQs, up to at least you have to attempt 10 on your own. And some test rating is there. We will evaluate it. And later program details, nearly 30 classes, 1.5 hour to 2 hours, 30 classes are there. Essay. Timings and everything they will notify. Any questions on it? How many? EPW, you take at least 3-4 to sense of the essay. How they are amalgamating sociological issues, economical issues, and political issues in one essay, so that you have to write all the angles. So you can read 1 or 2. If you have time, you can go more. It is very much useful for your gender studies also. Particularly UPSC students and the APPSC students, very much useful. But they are not connecting state issues, state schemes. You have to connect the state scheme to one political, economical, and social issues. While giving example, you have to connect the state scheme. It is very much important. While writing essay also, your personality should be reflected. I am most service oriented. I am most hardworking people. I like people very much. All these things should reflect on your essay. And one more thing, don't criticize any caste, any religion, any deliberately or unknowingly. Some people say our sisters facing lot of problem on household issues. That means you are deliberately giving your gender to the examiner. Our brothers and our brothers of a tribal community, our brothers of a backward community are facing lot of problems from their childhood, from rural areas. If you give like this, if you write like this, they will straight away cross your paper. You're giving your identity. Moreover, you're showing I can help them. Your hand should be not like this. You are showing like this. I can help them. I am above them. So don't reveal that type of things. You are writing each and every sentence. Writing is most difficult thing. Most difficult thing. Admit it first. You have to practice it. Then only means marks will come. Otherwise, I can write, I can manage. You can write, you can manage. But your marks also manageable, not up to the mark. You start writing from day 1 onwards while preparing mains. You have read some article, try to frame a question on it. in the standard of groups. Then start writing. That practice will help you a lot. You are there. You prepare for preliminary examination, a piece of information. Out of 4, you can select one. Over prelim. Mains, you read some article from some book. They ask some question. You write some areas, 1 to 3 areas on that particular issue. Your mains paper is over. But essay is not like that. Topics of political, social, and economical are interdependent. Even they clubbed cultural, historical also. They're interdependent. You have to discuss all those angles, all those areas. You have to see all those areas. Suppose caste, you have to see from Vedic age. You have to discuss from Vedic age. Caste means. So caste, constitution, caste, Vedic age, over history, constitution, polity, backwardness, economy. So you have to combine all these things. In your mind, you have to fix this picture. While writing essay, your answer should be multidimensional. While writing mains, your answer should be fully focused on that particular topic, not 1, 2, 3, 4 points. For prelims, whatever they pinpointing the information, you can write directly that. Any questions, Amma? Preparation, writing, practice, introduction preparation, conclusions preparation, popular opinion, how to get popular opinions. Everything will be covered in the class. Particularly crafting of essay is most important. That is why we will take 3 to 4 classes, crafting of essay. Once you master the crafting of essay, any topic you can roller coast. Any topic, the same 10 points are there. You can apply the same 10 points to each and every topic. You can go with that. Practice is a must. If you read 4 hours, you have to write 2 hours. That is the proportion.
Classes we can manage both the series, our own self-preparation and the classes, like in the females.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, why not?
We will consume 3-4 hours.
Yes, that too, your basic preparation will be over now. Your basic preparation while listening to class updates. What are the updates you will be well acquainted with? What are the other areas of thinking you need not refer? And record also will be available if you want. You can refer whatever your free time, not compulsorily attend the class.
Section. We'll give one topic and we'll make.
There are two areas, 2 things. First, crafting of essay. How to craft a beautiful essay. Beautiful essay means marks-oriented essay. How to, number 1. Number 2, we focus some areas, important areas on each topic, each syllabus, each topic of the syllabus. We focus some areas, and on that area, we will write some essays in the class, or how to write, how to build our arguments, how to substantiate our opinions on that particular topic. What are the way forward ideologies on that particular topic? We will discuss. And important data, relevant data for the topic also will be provided on the class lecture. That is the way. Minimum 10 to 15 essays we will deal. Each class 1 essay. We will deal. Group 2 mains combined, it is one more question not relevant to this class. We will discuss later. Any other questions? Class timings, everything you can inquire later. It will be intimated to you. Okay. Can you close it? Online doubts. Huh? Soumya, మోడల్ ఎస్ఎస్ క్లాస్ లెక్చర్లోనే ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తామమ్మా, వీలైనంత వరకు క్లాస్ లెక్చర్లోనే ఉంటాయి మోడల్ ఎస్ఎస్. వీ విల్ డిస్కస్ సమ్ 10 to 15 essays we will discuss. So that will be a model essay, and sir, AP related essays will also be discussed. Yes, relevancy of AP in each essay will be discussed, amma. What sources are to be referred? Already class lo cheppanamma, what sources are to be referred. How to brainstorm an essay. It is one class. Brainstorming of essay is one class. How many pages an essay to be? 800 words. 800 words means your handwriting will depend how many pages, how many words an essay will take. Any other questions? Gel pen, any black or blue? Subheadings, clearly they have not mentioned, don't write subheadings, but better to avoid subheadings. Gel is okay, ma. Gel is okay. Uniball ballpoint pen. So clearly they mentioned ballpoint pen, blue and black. No other color. Any other questions? Out of 7 topics, we will give each topic. We will select some areas. Some areas of the topics, then we will discuss expected topics. We will give expected topics and discuss some areas, and common out of academic outlook. In academic outlook, we will discuss not less than 5 to 6 topics. From 5 to 6 topics, you can write broadly 10, 15, or you can use the template, academic area template, to any academic or social area. మీకు ఇంకేమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయి? నో డౌట్స్. గ్రూప్ 2 మెయిన్స్, గ్రూప్ 1 మెయిన్స్ రెండు కొంచెం డిఫికల్ట్ టాస్క్ అమ్మా. చాలా మంది గ్రూప్ 2 మెయిన్స్ ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యేవాళ్ళు, గ్రూప్ 1 మెయిన్స్ ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యేవాళ్ళు, రెండు కంబైనింగ్ ఈజ్ వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్ టాస్క్. బట్ యూ కెన్ మేనేజ్ ఇట్. How opinion based facts you can collect. Already you have prepared for group 1 prelims. Those areas you need not read again. Just refer, just revise those topics. On you concentrate more on mains of group 1. Then automatically same, you already selected group 1 mains. That means group 2 mains is not that much difficult to you, in my opinion. But group 2 mains paper may difficult little bit more, so that not that much easy as group. So that you have to practice some bits, some typical areas. Whatever your weaker areas, you have to. Yes. Okay, I think I am clear. Thank you very much.